Math Grade 6 Week 4. Addition and Subtraction of Decimals by Sir Jerome D. Capalad and Ma'am Jonelyn A. Capalad by The content of this video lesson is from Mathematics Module Grade 6 provided by DEP Ed San Pablo City through the assistance of DEP Ed Region 4A. If there are errors that you noticed, kindly inform the teacher so that necessary actions will be administered. Please refrain from posting it on social media to avoid misunderstanding and do not let your rant be the subject of your posting. Thank you and God bless. Reminders on the answer sheet in math. You will use this answer sheet in math for week 4. No need to use extra sheets. The questions and activity can still be found in the module. Add and subtracts decimals and mixed decimals through 10,000ths. After going through this lesson, you are expected to add and subtract decimals and mixed decimals through 10,000ths without or with regrouping. Let's recall the process on how to round off decimals. Add 1 to the digit in the rounding place if the digit to its right is 5 or greater, otherwise leave the digit unchanged. Drop all digits after the rounding place. Let's recall place value of decimals you have learned in your previous grade levels. We read this as 123 and 5,067 10,000ths. $34 and 78 10,000ths. 458 thousandths. 12 and 12 hundredths. 12 and 34 hundredths. Example 1. A birdhouse was built 6.243 meters above the ground. Round to the nearest whole number. Identify the rounding place. Whole number. Look at the digit which is to the right of the rounding place. If the digit is less than 5, do not change the digit in the rounding place. If the digit is 5 or greater, add 1 to the digit in the rounding place. 2 is less than 5, therefore retain the digit to be rounded. Turn all non-zero digits to 0. Drop it if doesn't hold any place value. 0 after the decimal point can be omitted, except if it represents money. Therefore, the birdhouse is about 6 meters high. Answer the following orally. Round the following to the specified place value. Example 2. Estimate the sum of the following. Round the number to the nearest whole number. Rounded number. Estimated sum, addition. Answer learning task 1 on page 18, then choose the answer from the answer sheet provided by the teacher. Development. Adding and subtracting decimals is similar with the process of adding and subtracting whole numbers. Decimals through 10,000ths have 4 digits after the decimal points. Here are the steps on how to add and subtract decimal numbers through 10,000ths. Example 1. Arrange the digits in columns and align the decimal points. Insert zeros in empty decimal place values, if needed, so that all of the numbers have the same number of decimals places. Then add. Let's try example 2, arrange the digits vertically or in column, then insert 0, then subtract. Make sure that you regroup digits that are lower than the digits to be subtracted from. Answer learning task 2 on page 19, then choose the answer from the answer sheet provided by the teacher. In answering word problem, try to find a clue or keywords from the question. Here are some examples. Addition, total, increased, altogether, sum, plus, more than. Subtraction, was left, was used, decreased, less than, diminished. Answer learning task 3 on page 19, then choose the answer from the answer sheet provided by the teacher. Go back to the recall part of this video. You will find there how to estimate sum. Since the question on learning task 4 is how much was the savings, you need to subtract the estimated sum from the income. This is an example of non-routine problem, where you need to do 2 or more operations to solve the problem. Answer learning task 4 on page 19, then choose the answer from the answer sheet provided by the teacher. Answer learning task 5 on page 19, then choose the answer from the answer sheet provided by the teacher.
Math Grade 6 Week 4. Lesson 2 Solving word problems that involves addition and subtraction of decimals. After going through this lesson, you are expected to solve one or more steps routine and non-routine problems involving addition and or subtraction of decimals and mixed decimals using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. In solving problems, you need to understand first the given problem and plan for which operation to use. You may draw an illustration to help you visualize your plan. Then solve and review your answer. The following are some tips and information on how you can solve word problems. 1. Use your comprehension. 2. Look for the clue words of addition and subtraction from the question. 3. Follow the UPSC format. Understand what is asked. What are the given facts? Plan what is the operation to be used. Is there a hidden question? What is the mathematical sentence? You can also draw or illustrate your plan here. Solve. This is where you write the solution, answer, and label. Check. This is where you review your answer if it's correct or does it make sense. Let's try number 1 of learning task 2. In a sale, a microwave costs 2,999.99 pesos. Its price has been reduced by 500.00 pesos. What was its price before the sale? Understand. Asked, the price of microwave before the sale. Given, 2,999 pesos and 99 centavos cost of microwave. 500 pesos price of reduction. Plan. Operation to be used. Addition because of the word before, which means getting the original price before the discount from the sale. Hidden question? None. We will only use one operation. Mathematical sentence. 2,999 and 99 hundredths plus 500 equals n. Solve. Solution. 2,999 and 99 hundredths plus 500 equals 3,499 and 99 hundredths. Answer and label. PHP 3,499 pesos and 99 centavos was the price of the microwave before the sale. Now, review the answer. Answer learning task 1 to 3 on page 20 to 21. Since this is just a practice, no need to pass this part. Just answer and compare it with the answer key. This can be done orally or with a computation paper. Answer learning task 4 on page 21. Write the solution, answer, and label only of each problem on the answer sheet.
Thanks for watching and see you on the next video lesson in Math Grade 6.